Well, my name's Dermot Parsons. I'm Managing Director of Positive Futures. We're committed to providing better opportunities in life for people with a learning disability, people with autism spectrum conditions, and people with acquired brain injury. Here today because we recognise the value of innovation and the importance of making sure that research informs best practice, looking for some tips, looking for some information and looking to make some connections. It's been a very good day. I think in the earlier part of the day it was really good to connect with people from both the universities here and pick up clear information about research projects we can possibly participate in the future and identify good sources for research that's going to inform us. As the day's gone on, very useful session this afternoon which was really about how we put people at the centre, which is what we're committed to doing in Positive Futures, and lessons about real engagement and how it can really be delivered in the sector. No, it's, I suppose, really good to connect with people who are working in other parts of the sector, and I've certainly come away with a few contacts and a few people who I'll be getting in touch with so that we can work together to deliver some improvements about how we support newly qualified social workers in their assessed year and making some links with other organisations that should be of mutual benefit. It's been a great day.
My name is Jenny Rice. I'm a residential social worker for South Eastern Health and Social Care Trust. I currently work in Ashgrove Intensive Support Children's Home, which is a unit for looked after children based in Newton Arts. I'm also currently on Brian and Anne's course at the University of Ulster at Jordanstown on the EIPO module, and I'd given us information about it at the start of the year, signed up to it, and I was so glad I came. No one else in the course could attend today for other commitments, and I was really glad I came. I looked at the planner when it was sent out an email last week and thought this is a really interesting bunch of speakers here today, and I'm glad I committed to coming. I think what came through loud and clear, especially right through to the very end, was about service user involvement and having them involved from the concept stage and the proposal stage. Obviously it's something that we consider at all times in all our work that we do with service users during social work. However, today in terms of the research pieces that we're hopefully carrying out come September is about considering their involvement from the very early stages, not just near the middle or the end. I was really interested to hear how much is going on in Northern Ireland, and I suppose that is that about how you filter that information right the way down to frontline social workers. In my residential unit where I work, I'm the only person that's currently involved in any research, and I think it's really important to expose what's happening in Northern Ireland and how you get that across. There needs to be maybe a few different ways of trying to communicate that with frontline social workers that think research is just for academics, and it's not, it's for everyone. The combination of speakers was really interesting. The afternoon breakaway sessions where you had 4 speakers only with a 10-minute slot was really fast paced, but at least it got a flavour of each of those individuals and has given us some more food for thought and find out some more detailed information on a specific area that you're most interested in. So I think having the 4 speakers rather than just 2 for a longer time was really useful.